When the subject of health and excessive blood sugar is brought up, most people immediately think of diabetes. The body reveals indicators of a very high blood sugar level long before the person is diagnosed with this potentially serious and fatal disorder. Because so many individuals consume fake and processed foods in their diets, the number of people who have high blood sugar is significantly rising. The only way to stop this is to become informed and pay attention to the cues our bodies are giving us. We can maintain our health by doing this. Now, keep watching to learn the most crucial symptoms to watch out for if you suspect you may have diabetes, as well as the signals that indicate your blood sugar level is too high. Before we start, don't forget to switch on notifications so you won't miss any of our new videos and to subscribe to our channel for more daily advice like this. 16. Over-urinating or urinating in the middle of the night. It's true that if you drink a lot of water before bed, there's a good possibility you'll wake up in the middle of the night to urinate. However, if your blood sugar is too high, you could get a urinary tract infection, which could cause you to urinate more than usual. 15. Blurred vision. If you experience momentary blurred vision, try not to panic and go out to buy a pair of glasses. The most common cause of the lens swelling in the eyes is high blood sugar. Have you seen any of these symptoms? Do you suspect you may have diabetes? So, stay tuned until the very end because we'll tell you some symptoms of diabetes to watch out for after we've given you signals that indicate your blood sugar is too high. 14. Concentration problems. Without insulin, the body is unable to transport glucose from the bloodstream to the cells. The body can't operate normally as a result. You experience fatigue and struggle with concentration as a result. High sugar levels might cause dehydration. You experience fatigue and struggle with concentration as a result. Because your body is attempting to eliminate too much glucose through urination when your blood sugar is high, you could become dehydrated. 13. Dry mouth. Your mouth gets dry as a result of the high glucose levels in your blood and saliva, which are brought on by high blood sugar levels. 12. Impotence. This disorder, which only affects men, results from issues brought on by inadequate long-term blood sugar regulation. Blood arteries and nerves are both harmed by this. 11. Recurrent infections. A number of recurring infections need to be kept an eye on. Additionally, keep an eye out for extreme blood glucose increases and a variety of pancreatic illnesses. 10. Small scrapes and bumps take longer than normal to heal. High blood sugar levels may be to blame if you notice that even the smallest cuts and bruises are taking longer than usual to heal. It has an impact on the nerves and may cause poor blood flow, making it difficult for blood, which is necessary for skin repair, to reach the injured area. 9. High blood sugar levels might delay the emptying of your stomach, which can cause stomach issues. Bloating, distension, stomach pain, motion sickness, and nausea may result from this. 8. Constant or extreme fatigue. If your thyroid function is impaired, you probably experience fatigue, sleepiness, or depression. It takes energy to fight infections, which can lead to chronic weariness and excessive blood sugar levels. 7. Thirst. When your blood sugar levels are elevated, your kidneys must work extra hard to filter and absorb the extra sugar. The body must have fluid flow in order to urine the sugar in order to accomplish that. 6. Dry and itchy skin. Itchy skin results from inadequate blood circulation throughout the body. The lower portions of your legs are the parts of the body that itch the most frequently. 5. Always hungry. It's okay if you're one of those folks with a strong appetite. But if you typically don't eat much, it's possible that you're not getting enough of a hormone called incretin. Following a meal, incretin slows the liver's production of sugar. Food will fill you up more quickly if you lack this hormone, and you'll feel hungry again soon after supper, which raises your blood sugar level. 4. Excessive abdominal weight or fat. Excess abdominal weight or fat is one of the most obvious symptoms of high blood sugar. You experience hunger again because some of the food you ate was unable to enter your cells as energy to fuel them. 3. Nerve problems. Simply put, having high blood sugar levels can harm the blood vessels that supply the nerves with oxygen and nourishment, which can result in nerve disorders. 2. Skin changes. Your blood sugar level may be elevated if you start to see discoloration and certain skin growths. Additionally, the back of your neck and your hands may start to develop dark, thick patches of skin. 1. Nerve injury goes hand in hand with tingling and numbness. Your blood sugar may be elevated if certain parts of your body are tingling and numb. The term neuropathy refers to this kind of nerve damage. Here are some symptoms to watch out for that you may have diabetes now that you are aware of some indications that your blood sugar is likely too high. 8. hunger and exhaustion. When you eat, glucose is produced, which your cells use as energy. However, your body needs insulin to perform this. According to WebMD, energy cannot reach the cells if they reject the insulin. You are therefore devoid of energy. 7. Urination frequently. The typical person urinates 4 to 7 times in a 24-hour period. According to WebMD, this happens as a result of diabetes raising your blood sugar. The body may require more fluids as a result of the kidney's inability to lower blood sugar, which increases urine. 6. Weight loss. According to the Mayo Clinic, when you frequently urinate, you lose calories in addition to the sugar you lose. Additionally, diabetes may stop food-derived sugar from reaching your cells. These two things combined can lead to weight loss. 5. Dry mouth. Your body expends a lot of fluids during urination. Therefore, there is less moisture available for other things if you urinate regularly. According to WebMD, this may lead you to get dehydrated and experience dry mouth. 4. Vision blur. High blood sugar levels can cause certain tissues, including your eyes, to lose fluid. According to the Mayo Clinic, untreated diabetes can harm existing retinal blood vessels and cause new ones to develop. 3. Cuts are not healing. Over time, having high blood sugar might impact how your blood flows. According to WebMD, this can harm your nerves, which hinders your body's ability to repair wounds. 2. Tingling in the hands and feet. According to the Mayo Clinic, high blood sugar levels can harm the nerves. Tingling and pain in the hands and feet can be brought on by nerve injury. 1. Dark patches of skin. According to Everyday Health, the skin disorder acanthosis nigricans, which causes dark patches of skin most frequently on the neck or armpit, is an indication of diabetes. The CDC estimates that 30.3 million Americans have diabetes. This comprises 23.1 million people who have received a diagnosis and 7.2 million people who have not. The CDC also reports that 33.9% of Americans have prediabetes. Having said that, it's critical to notice the early signs of diabetes. The problem is that many of the early signs of diabetes can be so unnoticeable that most individuals simply ignore them. The difficulty with this is that long-term damage is frequently to blame when they do finally develop issues. Do you have diabetes or high blood sugar? What symptoms might you have if your blood sugar is too high? What steps do you take to maintain a healthy lifestyle, specifically? Let us know in the comments section down below. You are watching The Quick List. And I'll see you on the next one.